Hey there, this is Ryan on No Code, No Problem. Today I'm going to show you how to use Trigger.com, Triggre.com, to build internal tooling for your podcast. More importantly, this isn't just for internal tooling for your podcast. You can use Trigger to build internal tools for absolutely anything. If you're running an enterprise company, if you're running a medium to small size business, whatever you're doing, you can use Trigger to quickly and easily build internal tools. And if that's not convincing enough, you see all these Webflow agencies, you see all these agencies making a ton of money, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, even more, $1,000 per month building Webflow sites for customers where, there's like this niche of internal tooling that's still kind of untapped. And so it's definitely a hot space to get into. But let's get into building the internal tool. So today I'm going to create a dashboard for myself and my partners to see exactly the episodes that we have coming up. So if we go design, let's design some data. So we're going to add a new thing called episodes. And for episodes, we want to add a few things. We want to add interview name or podcast name, episode name. We want to add date and time of the interview / recording. And then we want to let's add a true or false. So let's say recorded. And let's do text. Let's do a email address. So addresses. So we have this podcast, and this is the data that it's going to be pulling from. So now if we go to user flows, we can create a user flow for these specific episodes. So the wizard, I like using the wizard because it's the easiest. So if we click here, next, it asks us some simple questions. So which data items are we going to be pulling from? Episodes. We want all of these to be pulled, all of this information. Which functionality do you want? We want a page to add a new episodes. We want a page to edit episodes, and we want a button to delete episodes. And this is really important for our team to be able to access these things. And we want the episode name to be up top, interview or recording date, address is added, and then whether or not it's recorded. So you can add a default sorting. Let's do address is added. And we want it from there. So add user flow. Enter the name of this user flow. Episodes. All episodes. Amazing. So now that we added this, we can go into appearance. We can add this section here. Okay. Alrighty. And then we can pull all of these episodes in. So now that we have this, we can go and we can view them. So we just got out of appearance here, and you can publish this. I published it to lab. And so once you publish it, you can come over and it takes you here. And so you have the ability to add new episodes. So let's add a new episode. Ryan with Trigger. We're going to be recording this on Saturday. And we're going to be recording it at 1. Address added. I want to add at Trigger. And let's add Ryan at Trigger. And it's not recorded yet, so done. And so this will populate here then. So you'll have the ability to see all episodes in chronological order for your team to see. Now, this isn't going to be the only tutorial that I make for Trigger. I'm going to be putting together a couple other YouTube videos showing other ways that you can build no-code applications with Trigger. So thanks again for listening, and I will see you next time on No Code, No Problem.